Discover your career opportunities with Rocky Mountain Truck Driving School. The trucking industry is severely short for professional drivers, and first-year earning potential is $30,000 to $40,000. This new and exciting career can be yours in just 4 short weeks, including 1 week of classroom study and 3 weeks of intensive hands-on training with big rigs. You could have employment waiting for you upon graduation, with such benefits as tuition reimbursement, health and life insurance, 401k stock programs, paid vacation, bonus programs, weekly pay, and more. Classes meet Monday through Friday, 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Evening classes are also available. Please call for scheduling. To contact Rocky Mountain Truck Driving School, please call 505-888-5182.